Good afternoon. We are here at Eleva Capital. Could you say something about your activities?
Yes, hi. So we're a French asset management firm founded in 2014, and we're managing slightly over 13.5 billion euros as of today. And we have an historical focus on European equities.
And what does your company do more?
So we manage funds, UCITS funds, mainly focused on European equities. So there are slightly more than 60 people in the firm now, and around 20 on the investment side. So they're working with our founder, Eric Bendin, and his deputy PM, Armand Suchet, which have both extensive experience in asset management for more than 20 years.
And does your company also invest in US?
We started actually investing in the US 2 years ago. The funds are a bit young, but yes, it's the kind of diversification we were looking for, yeah.
Could you say something about the historical performances?
Yes, of course. So we're looking to deliver a very asymmetrical profile. So we're trying to outperform the benchmark in good years and trying to do pretty much the same as the benchmark in bad years overall for equities. So it has allowed us to really deliver a sustainable outperformance profile over time. So for our main fund, European Selection, we've been outperforming the market more than 45% since inception. So.
Okay. And is your or are your funds more value style or growth style or mix?
Yes, so this is the standard question. We have no style. It's our style. So we try and invest without any geographical nor style or sectoral bias. We're trying to be pretty much flexible in the way we approach our investments and very opportunistic, so that we don't have a clear style like value or growth. We're trying to mix both and trying to have the best outperformance over it. Yeah.
And how many stocks are on average in your portfolio?
Yes, for our long-only funds, in between 40 to 50. Historically, it's been quite in between 47, 48, I think, yeah.
And do you also have a kind of preference for specific sectors, or do you avoid any sectors?
No. As I said, we try and have no sectoral bias. We focused more on associating the stock picking approach and also a macroeconomical approach. And for this, we use an in-house index. We call it the Eleva Capital Index. And this is kind of an aggregated advanced PMIs. For us, and it allows us to see how much cyclicality we want to put in the portfolios. So we're trying to mix stock picking and macro approach, but without any sectoral bias now.
Do you have any specific expectations for this year?
I think the portfolio management team would be better at it than me. But overall, I think we expect lower growth in Europe than in the US. So the macroeconomic context is not as good for Europe as the US. But we still believe that given the context, companies can grow at a moderate pace. So we're still quite constructive about it, yeah, I think.
Okay, thanks for the interview.
Thank you.